Morning period one. It's Mr. Enoch here. It's Monday, March 30th. I'm just posting this video to go over directions for our first day of enrichment. So I just want to let you know here a couple things to be aware of. I have the directions up here on our update section for Monday, March 30th. So any missing work you have from marking period three, besides tests and quizzes, because those are a little bit different, feel free to go submit those if you can. If you're having trouble with that, just Schoology message me. We can do any workarounds we need to. Then you need to go to the enrichment folder, go to day one, March 30th folder, read the directions, which I'm actually going to go over this video. I need you to select a book, short story, article, or other piece to read and today and throughout the week. Today I'd like you to read for 30 minutes, post to the day one discussion board, and then I'd also like you to write a 6-word memoir that sums up the past few weeks. And I have an example of what that'll look like. So if you go back over here to the materials section, enrichment for today, you can actually go into day one, which is Monday, March 30th. I'll go over first here directions and some of the resources you guys have available. So for directions for today, what I need you guys to do, step one, just select something to read. So I know a lot of you guys had independent reading books. I hope you took those home. If you didn't, you're going to have to find something new. So I have a variety of resources in this folder for online reading. You can also choose a book, magazine, short story, any other piece that you already own. You can always select a new piece throughout the week, but I will say it might be beneficial to use the same piece as we work through this enrichment period. Then what I need you guys to do is please post to the discussion board. This is just to let me know what you're reading, what it's about, just so I have a general idea as you work, what I'm looking at or what you're trying to create. And then step three, read for 30 minutes. Having this piece read will help you conduct the activities throughout the week. And then today, as we're dipping our feet into this online learning experience, I think it'll be good just to read for 30 minutes. Now, step four, I don't have posted, but step four will be to write your 6-word memoir. And I'll show you what that looks like here on the post. So if we go back into the folder, as far as options to read, I posted the nonfiction articles that we had been reading some of these in class. So you can read any of these nonfiction articles, and you could use these throughout the week as a place to conduct some of the enrichment activities. Another great resource, if you'd like to find a book through our library, our librarians were nice enough to create this PDF that I'm going to go over with you right now, showing you how to access ebooks. So ebooks are available through these 3 different apps. We have Destiny Discover, we have the Sora app, and we have JLG. Now, these are all available on your iPad if you have them. You can also find them in the App Store if you have another device at home. So Destiny Discover will show you all the books we have in our collection depending on the vendor. The user will be directed to check out the book via the app that is appropriate. So first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, you need to install the apps. They're going to be in self-service if you have your school device. If you have a personal device, you can find them in the App Store. Go to Destiny Discover then, and in the upper right-hand corner, you have to click on Login and then use your own username and password to get on. There's a section that shows just ebooks, so I would click that section to see all. And here's an example of what that'll look like. You can also find audiobooks, which are awesome. Students can search for a specific book. If you are looking for a general catalog, just make sure it says ebook or audiobook, I believe, and then click open and check out. You might be prompted to sign in again. Please make sure you select Hempfield School District as you sign in. That way the app will know that you're checking out through our library. And once you click on borrow, you're going to be prompted to open the book in the Sora app if it's an Overdrive book. There's going to be a blue bar at the bottom of the image that will kind of show you that you have to open up in that app. See, it look like that right there. Once in the Sora app, you have to go to the shelf to see your checkouts. Click open book to read the book on the device. Now, if the book is through Destiny Discover, you're going to need to click on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left-hand corner up here and go to the checkout to access the book. As you check out here, you'll click there and then open. It'll look like this. Just hit open. Now, you can also stream ebooks through JLG. These are nice because there's a limited number of readers. They can access them at the same time. These books are available for a period of time. It'll notify you if your book's leaving soon. You have to log in using your own username and password. If you're logging in to GLG for the first time, you do have to use the common username and password, which is HHSPA and then Knights1, and that has a capital K for Knights1. I'll post that in our Schoology page so you guys have access to that. And those are how you access those ebooks. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I can try to walk you through that. There's also a link here that actually takes you to our Destiny page, so you can access Destiny Discover, Sora. There's some other Capstone Interactive. You can access books, JLG. So there's some other ones that they didn't go over there, but please be aware of those. There's also some other tutorials so you guys can access those books easier. Actually, get back to our main page. So again, once you read for 30 minutes, please post to the discussion board just so I know name of the book, author, genre, the topic that it's going into, anything on the front cover art. How did you find this piece? Why did you choose it? And then finally, I think our class has already done one of these, but I'd like you to write a 6-word memoir, kind of attempts to sum up how your past few weeks have gone. I've actually written one that I will post a little bit later, so you guys will be able to see that. So I'm excited for this week. I hope you guys are doing well at home. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me through Schoology messaging or through email. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Good luck and have a good day, everybody. Enjoy the reading.